Hello learners, MAANG is an acronym that refers to 5 of the most influential and powerful tech companies in the world. Let's understand them with facts and small description of their businesses. M stands for Meta. Facebook and Instagram are two social media giants known for connecting people. Their business domain includes online advertising, and the latest is their virtual reality development. It's rare to come across someone who doesn't have a Facebook or an Instagram account. The next company in MAANG is Amazon, a leader in e-commerce that has revolutionized online shopping and disrupted traditional retail models. One of the best products in software is AWS. Imagine AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, as a giant online toolbox for business and individuals. Instead of having to buy and maintain their own computer servers and tech infrastructure, they can rent these resources from AWS as needed. It's like renting an apartment instead of buying a whole house. Some key services AWS offers is storage, databases, and security. These are just a few examples, and AWS has many other services that can help businesses build and run applications, analyze data, and more. The benefit? It's all on demand and you only pay for what you use, making it as a cost-effective and flexible solution for many. Next into our company series is A for Apple. Working here is a dream for everyone, as Apple is renowned for its sleek hardware products like iPhones and Macs. iOS is a highly performant operating system that is used by many for its speed. Nonetheless, their products can make a hole into your bank account. Next in MAANG is Netflix. Netflix has a vast library of movies, TV shows, including originals that you won't find anywhere else. They offer content across various genres and languages. In fact, Netflix uses an algorithm to recommend shows and movies you might enjoy based on your watch history. This unique algorithm makes Netflix stand out from any other OTT players in the market. And the last one is our Google. Google is a search engine giant that has become a household name and a leader in various tech fields, especially artificial intelligence. There are approximately 6.3 million searches every minute. Well, there's a free food cafeteria at every 200 feet at their headquarters. Is this something you might find interesting? These companies are all major players in the stock market, and the success has significantly impacted how we live, work, and interact with technology. Working at a MAANG company is considered as a dream job for tech professionals due to their prestige, competitive salaries, and innovative work environment. Cracking interview at MAANG companies. MAANG companies are notorious for their rigorous hiring process, and their mobile app development roles are no exception. Here's a breakdown of what to expect. Number 1 is a deep dive on mobile development. Brush up on your core mobile development skills. This includes proficiency in programming languages like Java and Kotlin for Android, Swift and Objective-C for iOS. Familiarity with cross-platform frameworks like Flutter can be a huge bonus. Number 2 is data structures and algorithms. Be prepared for coding challenges that test your problem-solving skills, because it's going to be entirely on data structures and algorithms that the hiring process involves. Lead Code, HackerRank are some examples for great resources for you to practice. Number 3 is mobile architecture and system design. Understand different mobile app architectures like MVC, that's Model View Controller, MVP, Model View Presenter, and system design principles. Be ready to discuss trade-offs and design decisions for a mobile application. The number 5 is database and APIs, because familiarity into databases is essential. You might be asked about data modeling, database querying, and integrating with REST APIs to fetch and manage data within your app. The last one is system design, wherein you will be presented with a real-world mobile app and asked to design the system. You have to consider scalability, fault tolerance, and data flow in these questions. Here are some tips for successful interviews. Practice, practice, practice. Hone your coding skills and system design thinking through online platforms and mock interviews. This should be well practiced. In fact, tailor your responses to the specific app development area and company's products. This can show a genuine interest of their mobile ecosystem. This is where things become good at your personal level too. Don't be afraid to ask questions because it demonstrates your willingness to learn and collaborate. If you like what I explained, then consider subscribing to our Programming Hub app, which offers a lot of courses for mobile app developers. We ensure that our app can help in gaining knowledge from a beginner to even an experienced one. I will add the app link in the description box below. How much salary you can expect? Unfortunately, package isn't a standard metric used to define a compensation in MAANG. Instead, tech companies typically offer a combination of salary, bonus, stock options, and benefits. You can pause this video and see this chart that shall explain you along with this breakage. Conclusion. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who might benefit from learning about coding and development. If you like what we do, consider subscribing to our channel. Together, we can spread knowledge and empower more minds to join the coding community. Happy coding!